today's video we'll get unready and remove this beautiful makeup. Today I got some makeup done by the amazing makeup artist Martin from Christian Dior Beauty, and he was trying this sooty eye makeup trend that has gone viral on TikTok, and look how gorgeous this high look is. Oh my god. Such a shame to remove it. The lips, actually, I have used the Dior Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm in the shade Mahogany. Et voila! Mahogany is beautiful. For removing today's makeup, we use the Guerlain Abeille Royale Cleansing Oil, which I've heard wonders about it. This one I bought it myself and I cannot wait to try it. Let's get started and test this beautiful cleansing oil. So I'm gonna open it. And here it comes. It was on the other side. I'll do it again. And here it comes. Gorgeous. Where are the directions? Okay. The directions are not on the packaging. So it actually says information and then it has a QR code. I'm just scanning the QR code. Okay, I am back and I finally found the directions. Step 1, dispense the equivalent of 2 to 3 pumps of cleansing oil into the palm of your hand and rub your hands together. Step 2, apply directly to dry skin with your hands and massage your face with circular movement. Step 3, remove mascara, roll the eyelashes gently between your fingertips. And step 4, rinse with water. Let's do this. I'll put my hair back or up. I'll get this makeup removing process started. Whatever Lola wants. I think that's enough and my face is free. I'll just get a clean face towel. So yeah, as it said, 2 to 3 pumps on your hands. Sorry, I just keep looking because I'm like, am I recording? Yes, I am. 1, 2, 3. Bam. So there is it. I rub it into my hands. I don't think this is enough actually, but let's see. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I am not kidding, it smells amazing. Oh, it's like honey smell, and I love honey. I do love honey. So here I go, guys, this is actually working. I'm surprised because I didn't think it was that much product actually. But so far so good. And you saw I have quite a heavy eye makeup. Oh, I think actually I'll go with a few more pumps. But at first I'm pleased because all my complexion makeup is gone. Alright. I'll go again, just for the eyes. 1, 2, 3 pumps. 3 pumps. Rub it in there, hands. Rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it. Bah. So there. Oh my god, guys, this is too good. This feels too good. Whoa. I am honestly super pleased. This is pretty much all my makeup gone. Look at that. Just over there, under my eye. Look at that. Oh yeah, just doing that for the mascara, even though they say rub your lashes between your fingers. Well, okay, I'm doing that now. I am honestly super happily surprised. So then they say, this is really quick. Look at my hands. and they say just to rinse with water. So I'll rinse it now with hot water. Okay, that's it with the water. Now I'll just damp my towel with hot water again. Just kidding. I know. So let's see how much is the damage. I kid. So there. Okay, that's how much makeup I still have on my face. So I'll just do my own. I like to go with the towel because it kind of gives me a little exfoliation as well. But that's how much makeup I still have on my face. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now, I'll go again with this one. Fantastic, smelling good. I'll go again with this. Maybe I'll just use one pump now. Very liquid. I hope you could see it. But that's one. I'll just do that. Oh, smells so good. Why does it smell so good? Oh. Guys, I think this is the cleanser that is the most gentle on the skin that I've ever used. And it's so good. Honestly, it feels so good on the skin. And the scent is amazing. Now look at it. All makeup is gone. The skin is clean. At night, I'm very simple on what I do to my skin. Sometimes I go with a retinol, or today I feel like treating myself. So I'll go with an orchidée impériale, and it's called La Crème, or the cream. It's so good, and the scent is superb as well. I'll just go with a tiny bit. So this is how the product looks like. It's one of my favorites. You don't need that much, honestly. I don't need that much. It's applying. Oh, you know what? It's such an amazing product. So gentle and delicate on the skin. Oh my god, and the scent is dreamy. Is so dreamy. Oh my god. So soothing. This product's definitely. This is one of my favorite cleansers now. And get one of these, or at least a tester, and you'll see what I'm talking about.